Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update error 0x800f0806. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot settings. Click other troubleshooters and select the Windows update troubleshoot to run. After finishing this, close it off here and now go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it, tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in guys. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification based of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100%, so please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this, go ahead and copy the second command and paste it in the same way. After finishing the second command, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.